All right, guys, Monday, June the 8th, we just got to our second project of the day. We are out here in downtown Atlanta. We're on the 24th floor. We are doing a move out cleaning of the wood floors. Has some residue on it. It's an engineered floor, and also the countertops. This client actually found me online. I came out here last week, did an in-home consultation. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so as you can see, I am on the 24th floor. It is a rainy day today. All right, and this is what we're gonna be doing. It's a small job. Tavares is setting up. Just wanna got us some lunch. So these floors right here, guys, we're gonna be doing this. If you look really close, floors just got some type of residue. Let me go show you from another angle. So see, like right here, residue all over the floor. They're putting this unit on the market. See, all right there. All right, so that's all we're doing, guys. We're gonna be doing this. Also these countertops, which aren't too bad. See all the residue, See all the residue on the floor. All right, go ahead and get started. See all that residue. All right, stay tuned.
Yeah. ATL, Midtown. Truman.
We up.
Truman, we up.
Truman, we up.
Truman, we up.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up right now.
Headed to the city, got the skyline in the clouds.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up today.
Welcome to Atlanta, got a condo on the way.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up right now.
UV current flows while the sun comes out.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up today.
Making floors shine while we getting paid. Coffee in the cup in the van looking clean. Rolling down P Street, chasing another dream. High-rise view, 30 stories in the sky. Customers smiling when they see the floor shine. One day recoat, no tearing to the bar. Saving hardwood floors, it's an everyday art. Blue and gold logo, everybody know the name. Truman in Atlanta, yeah, we built it from the grain. From Buckhead to Midtown,
Every floor gets laid down.
every review, 5 stars. We turning houses into works of art.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up right now.
Headed to the city, got the skyline in the clouds.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up today.
Welcome to Atlanta, got a condo on the way.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up right now.
UV current floors while the sun comes out.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up today.
Making floors shine while we getting paid. Granite countertops looking brand new too. Wood floors shining with that fresh UV. Elevator ride with the city underneath. Another happy client, that's another victory. Views of the Benz, views of the ATL. Every job completed, got another story to tell. Started with a dream and a buffer in my hand. Now we riding through the city with the growing game plan.
Look around. Look how far we came. Same city.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Check out the countertops. Oh yeah.
Truman,
We
Oh
up.
yeah, look at those countertops.
Truman,
We up.
Truman, Truman.
We up.
Floors came out great. The floors did have a light coat of wax on them.
Truman, we up. Yeah, we up right now.
Midtown,
Doing a post cleaning, just a post mopping right now.
Crew proud.
Floors came out
Truman,
amazing.
we up. Yeah, we up today.
Making people happy every step.
All right, guys, so
of
we're about
the
to
way.
head back down, load this stuff back up. Our day is done. Also right here, the client was aware they got a washer and dryer. That's water damage right there, so those boards will need to be replaced. And tomorrow we're going to be going to Alabama. Just put another job on the schedule for next week. A contractor who's used me numerous times. Going to be doing some outdoor stone cleaning and sealing next week for a property in Decatur. Also had a interior designer. She's going to be getting some floors done for one of her clients. They accidentally scratched the floor, and it just needs to be screened and recoated. And she's so happy because she thought she was going to have to replace the floor because it is a pre-finished floor, just like this floor. But I said no, we can actually screen and recoat that. Just knock down the old coating and then put down new coating. So she's very happy about that. And all right, guys. So we'll see you tomorrow in Alabama. It's not far from Montgomery, about a 3-hour drive. So thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.